Hello CPA, I'm Silas and I'm here in front of the new Athletic Pavilion, a covered multi-purpose facility that will provide the opportunity to expand our current programs for PE, fitness, and wellness, offering athletic space to accommodate more students simultaneously during the school day. The new indoor turf field will also be available for year-round team practice space for baseball, softball, cheerleading, lacrosse, soccer, and football. Recently, our media team had the opportunity to step into the construction zone with Mr. Phil Huffman, project manager for the parent company, to check on the construction process as they prepare for the grand opening. Well, Mr. Huffman, thank you so much for joining me today. If it's all right with you, I'd like to ask you a couple questions about this beautiful new building.
Of course.
First off, what is unique about this new facility?
Every project is different, but for this one, I think definitely location, especially being in the middle of campus. You can see we got the upper school next to us that's active, the parking lot's active, you got a baseball field, so it was very challenging and unique to get everything in here, especially to work around the students and the staff, but we're getting there.
Where are you in the process of this new facility?
Right now we're doing the final touches on the inside, putting a lot of the turf down, the final paint. We're finishing up some of the brick facade, and in the next 2 weeks putting some landscaping down and final concrete. Then we'll be calling for final inspections with Williamson County. So once Williamson County signs off on it, it is y'all's.
So how does the building go from blueprint to actually physically being there? What is the process that goes into that?
First things first is you meet with the architect and the owner. Truly going over all the expectations, the design intent, really going over what challenges that might be facing to logistics. And once we gather all that, let's go create the plan. Now we're going to go find the team to execute the plan. Plumbers, your electricians, your roofers, constant communication throughout the whole process of construction down to the very end. It makes a safe, a quality, and on-time project.
What is the most rewarding part of doing a project like this?
The most rewarding for me is I'm truly blessed that I found a career that I truly enjoy, where I can go to a job like this every day. I graduated from college with a construction management degree in 2008, and I started at Texas A&M building a health science center. Being on A&M's campus and building a health science center, they did biosafety laboratories. That's where you're testing like anthrax, and it was sealed tight rooms where it was so impressive that being exposed to that at young and all the experience I was getting, I loved it. And then I moved to Louisiana and we did a $800 million hospital. Katrina destroyed one of the main hospitals down there and we went to rebuild a new one. You can truly see the progress, and seeing progress in something is truly fulfilling.
Can you kind of give me an overview of the stages of how this building was built?
You can kind of see we're on a slope. So they decided to put the batting facility here parallel with the foul line, and it was a challenge to build anything on the hill because you got to bring import material in. So that's one of the first things we had to do was the site work. That we had to bring a lot of material in, a lot of stone, a lot of dirt. We had to start building all your retaining walls to make sure that holds everything back. So this structure is actually a pre-engineered metal building. And once the metal building goes up, you put all your siding, your roof up. So right now I'm the project manager of this facility, but there's a superintendent, we got foremans, we got principals. So we're all a team, and what I help with is to make sure that in the day, everybody that leaves this job is safe, that they go home, that the quality that we're turning over to the owner is good. Our goal with parent company is to give a safe, quality job, especially on time with the schedule. I'm so excited that it's going to last hopefully a lifetime with y'all. As the kids that are in elementary school right now that are here that see it, I cannot wait till I can play in it. I'm so excited that when it's rain days, y'all are in there playing baseball where you don't have to go stop practice because you have a facility now. It's amazing to be a part of this.
Well, thank you so much for talking with us. The building looks incredible and we really appreciate it.
Thanks for the opportunity.